IKEA TEVALEN bathroom shelves assembly and review. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad and Clueless Daughter. Today we're going to do a real quick video for this very small bathroom shelf, actually like shower shelf from IKEA called TEVALEN. I guess it's pronounced TEVALEN. Hey everyone, sorry to interrupt, coming to you from the future. It is now 2026. That was 2.5 years ago. As you can see, my daughter is much bigger now. I just want to warn you guys, everything I say about rust resistance in this thing is completely untrue. This thing is a piece of junk. It rusts super easy, like within a couple weeks. You can see some of the reviews up here. Other people have the same thing. I didn't take a picture, or actually I can't find the picture I took of it when we threw it away, but it was completely junk within a couple months. So yeah, it's cheap, but it's not worth it. Just get a plastic one. Okay, and now back to the video. Just ignore everything about rust. Today we're going to do a real quick video for this TEVALEN, I call it a bathroom shelf unit, like an in-shower shelf unit for the bathroom. Yeah, if you have like a shower stall or a walk-in shower, or in the case of Japan where you have like a whole room, which is just one big shower / bathtub, this is for you. That's what we got it for, at least. It's only 6.99 Japanese yen. I don't even know how much it costs outside of Japan, but in Japan, that 6.99 at this current rate, that's like $5. So can't really go wrong for real metal. There were some ones that were, basically 2 or 3 times the price, still pretty affordable, that were plastic, which hypothetically would be better for a wet environment like that, but they're actually kind of too big for our current bathroom, shower room, whatever you want to call it, bathtub room. So anyway, I got this one, and the assembly should be pretty easy, so let's just hop in. So there's basically just 2 end pieces and 2 shelf pieces, and they snap together. And literally just 2 steps in the instructions. So the trick to assembling these is to notice on the side pieces that there's like a curve kind of inwards here. It basically bends inwards. So you want to get this lower, down, whatever, loop, and go on that one. And then while holding this together, do this side. And then now you basically do it the same thing with the other one. And I guess notice that there's a lip on this, so you want to make sure that the 2 lips are facing the same direction. And then try to get these guys both on there. And it should snap in. The last one will snap and hold it together. There you go. So yeah, basically just make sure that that tab is bending inwards, and that they're all in and it's kind of straight. It's got plastic feet on the bottom, so hopefully it won't scratch anything. It's all powder coated metal, so it shouldn't rust if it doesn't get scratched. It might eventually rust in these corners here somewhere, but for $5 it's going to take a couple of years to rust out that badly. It's okay for like a college apartment at least. We'll see how it lasts for us. The only other thing is, I'd say if you do have a sticker like this, they stick these on in some countries. Just take it off before it gets all soggy and whatever. Meantime, you want to put this in the bathroom?
Yes.
Why don't you put this in the bathroom and then put this shampoo on it?
Okay. Daddy, where you put it?
In the bath.
But where you put it in house?
Where the shampoo is. Is it dry? It should be dry.
Yeah, it's dry.
Okay, so just put it down.
Here?
Yeah, you can put it there. And oh, wait, careful with this. So we don't want to get water everywhere.
And you don't water me.
Did I? Oh, sorry. A little bit. Only a little bit though, right?
Mommy shampoo on it.
Yeah.
Right here.
And the other ones?
Then I'll put the shampoo down.
It's too tall, I think.
Yes, and then I'll put it up. This one will be here.
Okay.
I think this one will fit here. Yes, it does.
Okay, so here we are with our new TEVALEN rack. $5 can't go wrong. What do you think?
This.
Yeah. One of the things, not that it really matters, but the problem is this is here. So if you had a really tall rack, you basically couldn't use it. So yeah.
Easy
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so that's it for today. If you guys have any questions or comments on the Tevalen, do let me know down in the comment section below. Otherwise, see you guys later. You want to say goodbye? Aram, you want to say goodbye on camera? No. No? Okay.
I was not even in the video. I'll say...
Well, Michan walked off in the beginning, too. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This one is super cheap, also super small and super light, but it is made out of metal. It goes for... Michan, you going to stay or are you going to move?
I'm going to my own video.
Oh, okay, okay. Can I start then without you? Okay, great. From the top. Just to let you know.
Hey, Dad, I have my melody in toilet.
Okay. That's definitely going for the blooper reel.